Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Starlink. First, let's unbox your Starlink kit. You should find the Starlink dish, a Wi-Fi router, a power cable, and a base. Take a moment to identify each component. Before proceeding, download the Starlink application onto your smartphone or tablet. This app will be essential for guiding you through the setup process and managing your internet service. It's a crucial first step to ensure a smooth installation. Next, finding the optimal location for your Starlink dish is paramount. You need a clear, unobstructed view of the sky, free from trees, buildings, or any other potential signal blockers. Use the Starlink app's built-in Check for Obstructions tool. It's incredibly helpful for identifying the best spot. Consider various mounting options, such as a pole mount for elevated placement or a permanent roof mount for maximum stability and long-term performance. Proper placement ensures the best possible internet speeds. Now, let's connect the components. Take the long Starlink cable and firmly connect one end to the dish and the other end to the designated port on the Wi-Fi router. Then, plug the power cable into the router and connect it to a standard electrical outlet. Once powered on, the Starlink dish will automatically begin to orient itself, searching for satellites. This process typically takes several minutes, as the dish adjusts its angle to achieve an optimal connection. Be patient during this initial alignment phase. Finally, open the Starlink app on your device. The app will guide you through configuring your new Wi-Fi network. You'll need to create a unique network name, also known as an SSID, and a strong, secure password. Once your Wi-Fi is set up, connect your devices, like your phone or laptop, to the new Starlink network. To confirm everything is working perfectly, perform a speed test within the app. This ensures you're receiving the best possible internet performance from your Starlink system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.